What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the overheating issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here if you have enabled too many features and you are not using them, then turn them back off. So if you are using Wi-Fi, then turn off mobile data. If you're not using Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth, and you can also turn off hotspot, location, and turning off these unused features will help you to fix the overheating issues. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue, then check for software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone, and from here tap on the software version. Now it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available for your phone, then update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software to the latest version, the overheating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the overheating issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.